Hi, I'm Dr. Courtney Kaplan at Cosmetic Surgery Affiliates, and today we're going to talk about mommy makeovers. Being a mother myself, we all know how much we love those little bundles of joy. However, we don't always love what it has done to our bodies. A lot of patients want to know what a mommy makeover is. And to me, it's really anything that's helping you put your body back to how it used to be prior to having babies or prior to being a mommy. So we're making over that mommy, and when we do that, many times that involves the breast, both lifting them back up to where they used to be and restoring some volume with an implant, and then doing a tummy tuck at the same time, and also considering some liposuction for contouring. As soon as you're ready to transform your body after having babies, and done having babies ideally, is the right time to have a mommy makeover. It's typically performed in our surgery center, and you go home the same day. This surgery is generally only a couple hours, and when you go home, we have you all wrapped up and we'll see you back the next day. Being that most mommies do have little ones, we often get asked how much help they need caring for their children after a mommy makeover. A lot of it does depend on the individual, but I would recommend having help for at least the first week. You'll find that you'll be able to lift with your arms, and many young moms will find that they can kind of bend down and squat and maybe have their small ones crawl up on them. Inevitably, you'll find what works for you, but it is great if you have the option to have someone be around to help you for that first week. We have done so many mommy makeovers and helped so many different women. We have had such experience, 30 plus years combined with our surgeons, that we know what we're doing and we know how to do this safely and efficiently and to get the desired outcome that you want. If you'd like to find out more about a mommy makeover, feel free to call us or check out our website to book your consultation today.